Alright, for those of you who speak English, probably couldn't understand the word that I was saying on my other video. So this is English version. Alright, we're gonna start with these two connectors. They are hooked up to each wing. Very simple. As you can see, all these are marked. These two connectors, this one and this one, came along with this part in your multiple connector from FMS. So each connector is hooked up to the wing, and it's very straightforward because it's marked. If I only get the okay, so it's channel B, 5B, 5C, channel 1, channel 6 and LED, and each cable from the wing is marked. So you have your 5B, 5C, and then you have your, I believe it's channel 6, which are flaps, and channel 1, which is ailerons. So you have a flaps, ailerons, LED, and two channel 5s, which are gears. 5C is the cable from the door, from landing gear door, and 5B it's actually cable from the servo, from the gear, from the landing gear. So C is a door, B is the actual landing gear. You hook it up, and all you have are two connectors, one from each wing. Now we're gonna hook up the other part to fuselage. In fuselage we have cables that are already hooked up and free. We have channel 2, which is your elevator. We have a channel, channel 4, which is your rudder. Rudder, we have two cables because one goes to actual rudder, the other goes to rear wheel that turns as well. So we have rudder and elevator. Then we have a one cable left, small cable, which is 5B, and 5B, it is a landing gear from the rear of the plane. That's a servo that drops down the landing gear. Okay, so we have three plugs. Now we're gonna hook up the connector. Connector comes with a sequencer that's called, that one end is called gear, which is channel 5, and it looks like this. It's very important to hook it up correctly. This portion, the bottom portion of the connector, goes to that little plug in here, which is 5C, and the other portion of sequencer goes to a landing gear here in fuselage and landing gear here in our multiple connectors. This one stays free actually. Why do we have it? And this way we have flaps and ailerons and landing gear from the wing and from fuselage. Once we hook up these cables, they go directly in here. Doesn't matter where you put it. There's no difference. The signals from receiver will be sent through these leads through the connector here directly to the wing. The sequencer works the way that this is the signal, this is the plug that you put it directly into the gear channel on your receiver. When it sends the signal to open up the gears, it goes to the sequencer. First, the signal goes here to open up the door, and then it goes here to bring the gears down. It's done this way to prevent jamming of gears in case the door does not open quickly enough. So the sequencer basically sends the signal first to open the door and then to bring down the gear. Simple like that. I hope it all makes sense. If not, send me a message and I'll try to explain. Thank you.